What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to part 3, the final part of the unboxing series for April 2021's Nail the Mix with Buster Odelholm. We're talking about the band Allt today with their song Rupture, and this is a track that Buster was really stoked on how his mix sounds. Honestly, we are too. And between this, Born of Osiris, and Oceana, we just couldn't pick, so we decided to just give you all 3 this month. So again, we are doing a back-to-back-to-back triple header going on this month for Nail the Mixes. I have my lovely co-host John Maciel with me. John, how are you?
Doing well. I'm super stoked on this track in particular. The other 2 are great, but Allt is I don't want to say newer. They've been around, but it's one of those kind of reminds me of Spirit Box, one of those bands that no one really knows about except for the people who are paying attention to them. And Buster has been killing it with his work with these guys, and they just write some great tunes. So I'm really excited to see what's behind the veil, and then also take my own stab at downloading these tracks once they're available and take it, mixing it up. But yeah, super excited for this one.
Perfect, man. Yeah, I'm excited too. Let's take a look at some of the tracks here. So first thing we're starting off with is drum Midi. Here's what the drum Midi looks like. We've got some very articulate velocities going on here. So it definitely was programmed with some intent in mind. We are going to be providing you a drum key as well for you to be able to change it over to whatever software you use for keying off or triggering off drum samples. So don't worry about that. You're going to have exactly what you need to be able to make sure that it translates to whatever you use drum library wise. But we just have a drum MIDI print here for today's example. And then we move into a bass DI. We only have a DI today, but what I have on this track just for today to listening is Parallax by Neural DSP. It's a really nice bass distortion sort of. It's so hard for me to put this into words because it's just too good. I don't really know what else
Delicious.
to say.
Delicious is the word you're looking for.
And I got my buddy Dave Otero's preset on here as well, so love that guy. But moving into the guitars now, we have 5 different guitar DIs, no amp prints as well. And again, just for this demonstration, we did it with Oceano as well. I just have Fort and Nameless up as well because this to me is I could turn this on any heavy mix and feel like I'm already halfway there to getting a solid tone there. And then the rest we got here guitar-wise is just some more droney type stuff and some clean guitars. Very excited to hear what those sound like soloed. Really excited. Then we move straight into the vocals here. Looks like we have some uncompressed vocals down here, and then maybe some more compressed vocals towards the end here. This might be a gang vocal or some sort of group chant, or maybe it's just 4 people really being brutal. We're going to take a listen shortly and have a listen. Moving down here, we have a pretty decent amount of electronic tracks here or synth tracks. From what I heard in this intro so far, I haven't heard the song yet, but from what I've heard in the quick listen to the intro, I'm already excited with what this stuff was doing just in the beginning. Very excited. And then we move into a huge section here of a little bit of blend between impact style percussion hits and just random regular post effects hits as well. So I'm going to play from the top here. We're going to organically listen. I have my mix fairly stable here. Mostly balanced, just faders and panning, and we'll have a listen, and then we'll listen to some of the individual tracks and let you know what you might be walking away with if you win the mix pool at the end. So let's have a listen. You ready, John?
Yeah, let's do this.
Hell yeah.
Brutal. This whole month is brutal.
It's a triple header of just brutality. I think this song, I guess more than the others, I think this is a really awesome look into maybe if you're looking to add some more electronic production to your metal compositions. I think this is a really good piece to sort of analyze and break down what they're doing. And, you know, simple things like what I'm talking about here in this beginning part, where, you know, it cuts out on these different beats here. Like that's really, really unique and exciting, and it's something fresh and new to my ears, at least, as to what's going on in the overall extreme heavy metal, hardcore, whatever you want to call the genre. There's just a lot to unpack here in regards to just how a song is structured, I think, which I think helps the mix more than anything. You know what I mean? Once you have a solid foundation of a song like this, then it's really just up to you and your creativity when you get to the mixing stage of how can I make these elements really pop out and be exciting and enticing to the listener. Even with these tracks just sort of roughly gained with faders and panning, it sounds solid to me so far. So I'm really excited to see how Buster's going to take this further.
Yeah.
What did you think, John?
Yeah, I like all three songs. The arrangements are just really, really great, and I couldn't agree more. If there's a month where you're like trying to up your like electronic game or how to add these type of sounds into your mixes, I know that's one thing our subscribers are always asking for is they want to add more of these type of elements into their mixes, but they don't know how. Well, this month there's 3 tracks that do it expertly, and this alt track is just a behemoth of a like it. There's not that many tracks. I think there's like 64. But the way everything is working and playing off one another just makes the song sound monstrous and huge. So, yeah, I mean, this is definitely a great session to just go through and poke around and see how the guitar tones and the guitar DIs and the vocals, how everything's just working all together to create a very, very big cohesive whole. And if you do decide to take the challenge of mixing this song this month, we will be having a mix poll. And on this mix poll, you'll have a chance at winning prizes from Jay-Z Microphones, Neural DSP, Audible, Genius, Centorial, Bogren Digital, Impact Studios, Joey Sturgis Tones, and Drumforge. So another nice little prize package, walking away with some great tools to help you on your next session. So yeah, super stoked to hear your guys' mixes in the URM Rockdown.
Absolutely. Yeah, we are very, very excited. We do a show in the Roctagon itself in our private community as well called Mix Script Monday, where we go over a few of your submissions as well and give you a little bit of pointers as to where we think your mix is at currently. But we would love to see you guys in the community. If you're interested in checking out these tracks or for any of these tracks for this entire series for April 2021, head over to nailthemix.com, gain access to these multi-tracks. Come on over to the live stream with Buster that's going to be happening at the end of April. I hope to see you there. I really hope you guys enjoy these tracks. Have fun, happy mixing, and we will see you guys in the next unboxing.
Later.